Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
You say we got time?
Yeah, let's try and get it done with these plates, ready to weld up by 20.
20? All right.
Now he tells me. They're doing good. I thought 12 valve was in first place as far as like time-wise, but Team Icy just caught them, passed them. We'll see if it pays off for them.
Do what you've been doing all the way around it, and I'll finish it.
All right.
Team AJ has caught up. They've passed the 12 valve team. They're about to start welding. 12 valve's still cleaning up. I think they're doing way too much cleaning up in the middle because we only have 25 minutes left. 25 minutes! Looks like Team Icy is heating up. You see what I did there? If I were in this competition right now at this point with 21 minutes left, I would like already have my stool. There'd be a cup holder on it, maybe like an awning with an umbrella. Each one of these teams has like measured differently to find the center of the plate to put the pipe in. It's really interesting. And they all have an excuse. The table's not level, the plates are warped. You gotta have some sort of excuse, just like a welder. Well, the humidity here in Houston is just a little bit damper. You gotta overcome obstacles. That's what I'm looking for out of a welder. They're gonna come work at Radiator Ranch. You know what I'm saying? It's never gonna be perfect. It's kind of like me and my bull riding. Like, why didn't I go to a bull riding this weekend? Number one, I couldn't find nowhere with enough added money, like $32,000. Number two, I can't find my bull rope. So it's not that I'm scared. I'm not scared. Are you scared? 17 minutes. These guys are way in the lead, way in the lead. Hey, where are you gonna put the cup holders? I do believe Tanner could weld anything from a broken heart to the crack of dawn. You guys have heard that before, but I'm the one that made it up. A lot of welders are like plumbers, you know, they get paid by the hour, so they take their time. Team AJ has caught up. Coach came in for a fist bump. Finished strong, 13 minutes. Team Icy, they're doing good. They've not worked together before. You know, they seem to gel and really mesh. He's just running that bead. He ain't stopping. He ain't coming up for air. Ah! Okay, you got about 10 minutes left. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
I like to get up top, kind of watch from above, see what these guys are doing, evaluate. Also, it makes me feel like I'm better than everyone, which I am. Good job, guys. Keep it up. I'm proud of you boys. What do you got left?
Just this
Well, we've been flipping it so the metal don't warp from overheating.
These guys, they are thinkers. Be a thinker, not a stinker. Stay in school. That's what's cool. Come to Tulsa Welding School. I'm gonna work on that. So far, this is the stool that I want to sit in. They're cleaning the pipe. The Supreme team and Take It to the Max team, they're not even done welding. It works. It's also warm, which I like. It's November.
The grand champion don't know for anything.
Stacking dimes, old son, stacking dimes. Very effective stool. It's sit-worthy. That is a sit-worthy stool. Now it is smelling like an ag shop. Ah, it smells good in here. Smells like burning rods. Are you done? You guys are just using this extra 3 minutes just to...
Yeah, relax, keep in mind.
Have you ever made a stool before?
No. And is
Have
that
you-
what this is?
Sorry?
Is that what this is?
Yeah, I guess so. Good job. Looking good. You're cleaning up your area. How do you feel about it?
Pretty good.
What would you have done different?
I think we did damn good on what we did.
Dale, yeah. It's not a race. So we'll see how the judges think about it here in just a second. Nice stool. 25 seconds. 25 seconds. Go to work, go to work. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, everything off. We're with team To The Max. Guys, how'd you feel about your stool?
I felt pretty good about it. It got a bit stressful to the end, but we did well.
Nice. Judges, what do you think?
Looking for a 12-inch circle on top. Got about 12 and a 16, about 12 and 3/16. All right, spin this around. 14 and an 8, 14 and a 16.
Let's see how they did on their warpage.
As you can see there, they warped it a little. And as far as the bead appearance,
Definitely got a little bit of rough weld, a lot of spatter. Could have done better on your cut. All in all, it's a good job. Let's put it to the ultimate test. It works. Come on in, Supreme Team. Present your stool to the judges and Dale Brisby. Judges, what do you guys think about the stool?
I see that's not finished. You have 12 and 3/16, got 12 inches there. So a little bit off on your measurement. 14-inch circle on top. You're about 13 and 15/16. It's a rough cut right there, so you're about 13 and 3/4. All right, as far as the bead,
It's definitely warped considerably.
it don't look that bad except for the tie-in right here. You got one pinhole, and as far as the bottom, well, you got one tack and maybe 3 inches worth of weld right there.
You can definitely tell they were off on their cut. You guys, I think you passed the DB test. We've got Team It'll Buff bringing in your stool. Tanner and Simon. Set that beautiful chair right up there.
By the appearance, I'll tell you this is far the best stool I've seen so far. You're supposed to have a 12-inch circle on top and a 14-inch circle on bottom. They're about 11 and 13/16. Right at 12, good. About 14 and an 8, 13 and 15/16. All right, as far as your bead on the bottom, you do have some pinholes, but the warpage ain't bad. 2 pinholes right there, some splatter. Guys, y'all had enough time. Could have detailed it a little bit more, but they're pretty square, huh?
Pretty square, it's pretty even. They did a good job cleaning it up. Maybe could have been a little bit smoother. All in all, it's about perfect.
We got one final step.
That's it, yeah. The judges are being hard on these guys, but hey, it sits. Team number 4, we've got Team Icy bringing in their stool. Let's see what the judges think.
Bead appearance, like it.
Definitely got a rough cut on the top here, though.
Pretty square. Oh yeah, a little bit warped. Bead appearance, you got maybe one pinhole on the bead.
12 and a half on that side.
Right there.
That's a 12. We're 14, perfect 14 there, and a perfect 14 there.
That's what we're looking for right there. See the gap right here and see the gap right there? Incomplete fusion right down the side. Around that.
Good job. Team Icy, step right over there, take your stool with you, and we'll get you an Icy. Next up, we got the 12-valve team bringing in their beautiful stool. They named their team after my truck, so I've got a personal connection with this stool that looks amazing. Let's see what the judges think.
Gotta have 12 inches at the top. Got about 12 and an 8. About 12 and 3/16. You're within the 16ths. Man, that bead's beautiful. I like that.
Should be 14 and an 1/8. And we're still about, at least it's consistent.
It's good. I like everything. So, final test.
Yes, I didn't want to get on Icy stool. No offense, guys, it looked a little more wobbly. This one right here, that is sit worthy. Last but certainly not least, we got Team AJ. Come on in around here, guys. We're gonna bring in their stool. They almost had enough time to install a cup holder. Let's see what the judges think.
What does the bead appearance look like?
We got some holes in here.
Pinholes?
And a little bit cold.
Pinholes?
Could have cleaned it up a little bit better. Dimensionally on the top, we're supposed to have 12. We're 11 and 7/8, and we're definitely 11 and a half. We're a lot narrower right there on that side as well. We'll check this side here too.
Pretty square at the bottom.
Pretty
There,
warped
it's
right
warped.
there.
As far as bead appearance,
Got
What do you
some
think?
holes. The final test, guys, is it sit worthy? And it is sit worthy approved by Dale Brisby. Guys, great job. We're gonna go to the leaderboard and see where you fit in on them. Here we are, Top Welder. I'm Dale Brisby. We're at the Tulsa Welding School. The judges have chosen 3 winners from this first flight. I'm gonna, one by one, I'm gonna tell you, if I announce your name, you're gonna pick up your stool and you're gonna walk out. And the 3 winners will be left here. Okay, so the first I'm gonna pick up, I'm gonna tap your stool. That means, unfortunately, you're not gonna advance. The last 3 standing will be who advance to the next round. Supreme, you guys did a great job, but I'm sorry, you have to pick up your stool. You guys aren't gonna advance. Give them a round of applause, they did a great job. Definitely had one of the coolest names. All right, next up, Icy, you guys did a good job, but you're not gonna advance. I'm sorry. Everybody give them a round of applause. We got 4 teams left. The 3 left standing, you guys are gonna advance, okay? $32,000, that's what's on the line. That's a lot of guacamole. And a Miller welder. Team AJ, I'm sorry, but you guys are not gonna advance. You did a great job. Tulsa Welding School has some prizes for you. Give them a round of applause. Left standing, we've got It'll Buff, 12 valve vibes, and To the Max. Guys, bring it in. You guys are gonna advance to this next round and you're one step closer to that $32,000. Stay with us, everybody. I'm Dale Brisby. This is Top Welder at Tulsa Welding School. Hey guys, thanks for watching Top Welder at Tulsa Welding School. We're on to the next one, old son.